What's up guys, Samsung unveiled what is definitely the company's best smartphone yet yesterday. Talking about the Galaxy Note 10 series, in case you haven't seen enough of the smartphones, Samsung has got you covered. Samsung just launched a handful of Galaxy Note 10 videos to promote the new phablet series using the hands-on format. They touch on flagship's refined design, the redesigned S Pen, the camera capabilities and built-in video editor, as well as integration with text, Link to Windows and Play Galaxy Link. The Galaxy Note series underwent quite a few changes this year, in terms of both feature and design. The flagship is now slimmer with narrower bezels, it has a frame made of stainless steel, a centered front-facing camera notch, and an offset, vertically aligned rear-facing camera. The S Pen was also redesigned and boasts new features including Air Actions, which can be used to remotely control applications such as YouTube and camera. And the camera itself has been updated, particularly for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which features a TOF sensor in addition to the standard triple camera setup. The camera can also apply bokeh effects to videos now. A fairly powerful built-in video editor has been included too. And for even better productivity, the Galaxy Note 10 benefits from DeX integration and Link to Windows. Both of these features allow users to connect their phones to their Windows 10 PCs and link both platforms for a more unified user experience. This allows for files transfer between devices and for users to read and reply the messages directly from their computers. Finally, Samsung also touched on the gaming side of things, and not only the preloading the Galaxy Note 10 series with Call of Duty Mobile. As seen in the video, the new flagship can take advantages of Play Galaxy Link to stream a PC game directly to your phone over a Wi-Fi network, similar to the Steam Link application for Android and iOS. Check out all of these videos and feel free to let us know which one of these features you like the most. Link of all the videos are given in the description box below. Go and check out. And yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.